we are going to learn about some modifications and maybe some concatenation strings. If the video goes too long, I will have to make another video for concatenation of strings. So let's see what we learn today. Okay, let it open first. I'm not really sure what the reason is. It's taking too much time to load. Okay, here it is now. Let's go to let's go to Python programs, and let's go to this. Okay, nano str mod. Let's save the name as this. Let's get going. Okay, bin, sorry. Okay, so let's assign a string first. Let's go code dot dot sorry dot 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 exploit. Okay, and let's print this particular thing. So let's keep this as a string str. You can give any name. I just like to give this, and let's see what it does. Now for those who have already done programming in Python, they know what this is going to output. So let's make it executable. Okay, now let's run it. See, it's giving us, let me open another terminal here. Oh, what happened? Okay, nano str mod, sorry, str mod. Yeah, so what it simply prints out here. Okay, so let me make you understand what is the purpose of this upper function. Let's, oh sorry, yeah, so you can see this whole string has been converted to uppercase. So this is what upper does. So you can see capital C is already C, capital, sorry, the capital C is already capital, and O, D, E, and the remaining letters are in small. So whenever you run this program, it will give you an output that is in uppercase. So let's see for lowercase. Simple, it's simple. You just have to rename it by giving lower and save this. Now see, everything is in lowercase, including the C and E, which I gave here as capital. So I hope you understood what it does. It's very simple, it's really easy. And let's do another thing. Okay, now let's see what it does. Okay, it doesn't do anything, it simply prints out. Now let me show you why it is, what it is made for. Let's give some space out here, and now let's run this. See, it's giving us the same. Okay, now to make it explain better, I'll show you what is the difference between a simple print statement printing a variable, the variable str, and str dot strip. Let's save this and let's run here. see, when I print this statement, it simply gives me code exploit. But when I run this statement, it gives some space here and here as well, because I have provided space here and here. So what this strip function does is it removes any white spaces in our string. Okay, so this is the reason why it's happening like this. Okay, now let's go see some another examples in modification. Okay, now let's do this. Sorry. Okay, I just want to replace x with, say, m. Now what happens? Let's see. Oops, I got some error as expected. I knew there is going to be some error. I just forgot to write the correct spelling for replace. Now let's run this. Yep. So see the difference, code EMP exploit and here code exploit. So what this function does is it simply replaces any character in a string. So this is the format of writing the character which you want to replace by this character, any character. Just place the character here. Suppose here it's x, so I want to replace x with capital M, so it replaces x with capital M. This is what it does. Okay, now let's see what does this thing do. Strings str dot split. Let's see what this does. Okay, now let's run it here. Yeah. Okay, so what split function does is it splits the string into substrings, and if it finds any separator, okay, like here I haven't provided any separator. Let's give dot comma. Now let's run it. Yeah, so what it is doing, that whenever we find comma here, it will split the string. Okay, it will give this output. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, it finds an instance of the separator comma, and it instantly separates. Okay, it splits the whole thing into a substring. Like here it found out comma here, so it split. Okay, you can see the difference. You'll get to know about it more when we do some examples. All right, so I'm going to end this video here, and in the next video we are going to understand about concatenation of strings. For the time being, just subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying it, and if you have any doubt you can ask me or you can comment down below. Alright, so goodbye, I mean bye bye, not goodbye.